morning. Today's topic is about virus, that are the smallpox and molluscum contagion. Viridae family. Morphology first. It is also shown in figure. Morphology is, it is the largest 400 nanometer in length into 230 nanometer in diameter. Among all the viruses, it is the largest. Seen under light microscope, most complex viruses are these, and their structural code does not fit into either icosahedral or helical symmetry. Shape is brick shaped or ellipsoid shape. In figure, this is the ridges and spike-like appearance, outer membrane, inner membrane, core is here, lateral bodies 2 in numbers, double-stranded DNA and viral enzymes are here. Now, envelope of Pox viridae. Externally, there is an envelope made up of 2 lipoprotein membranes. Outer membrane, it is here, and inner membrane, it is here, with ridges arising from the outer membranes. The ridges are here. The envelope encloses a core, this is, and 2 structure of unknown function called as the lateral bodies. Lateral bodies are 2 in number. Core or the nucleocapsid is biconcave, dumbbell shaped, this is, and surrounded by a core wall. Capsid is 12 nanometer thick, made up of more than 1000 capsomers, and encloses single linear double-stranded DNA. These are here, and many enzymes including transcriptase are here, and only DNA viruses that replicates in the cytoplasm. Now classification. Genus is Orthopox viruses. Species are Variola, Vaccinia, Monkeypox, Cowpox, Buffalopox, Contagelo and Araketuba. Now, Variola species has host reservoir of humans. Distribution is eradicated. Human diseases are called as a smallpox, and now it is eliminated. Vaccinia, host reservoirs are humans. Human diseases are localized skin lesion used for smallpox vaccination. Monkeypox, host reservoirs are rodents and monkeys. Distribution in most commonly Africa. Are rare smallpox-like lesions and systemic diseases. Species Cowpox has host reservoir of cows. Distribution in Europe, and human diseases are rare. Localized skin lesion may be developed, and occasionally systemic diseases can be developed. Species Buffalopox, host reservoir are water buffalo specific, and distribution in Indian subcontinent. Human diseases are rare, and localized skin lesions may be developed. Species Contagelo and Araketuba, host reservoir are cattle. Distribution in South America, and human diseases are rare. Localized skin lesions may be developed. Now genus Parapox viruses. Species are Orf, Pseudocowpox, that is Paravaccinia, bovine papular stomatitis, deerpox and sealpox. Species Orf, host reservoir has sheep and goats. Distribution worldwide. Human diseases are rare. Localized skin lesion called contagious pustular pseudo-cowpox species has host reservoir of cattle. It is also called as a paravaccinia. Distribution in worldwide and human diseases are rare. Localized lesion called Milker's nodule. Bovine popular stomatitis species has a host reservoir of cattle. Distribution is worldwide and human diseases are rare. Localized skin lesion may be developed. Deer pox species has host reservoir as its name suggests. Deer distribution is deer hubbed. Human diseases are local pox lesions. Seal pox host reservoir are seals. Distribution is present in seal colonies and human diseases are local pox lesions. Now, genus Molluscopox virus species has Molluscum contagiosum. Host reservoir are humans. Distribution is worldwide. Human diseases may cause many benign skin nodules. Now, Yatapox viruses species has Tenapox and Yabapox. In Tenapox, host reservoir are monkeys. Distribution is in Africa and human diseases are rare. It may be by localized skin lesions. Yabapox species are host reservoir of monkeys. Distribution is not distributed and in specific area and human diseases are very rare and accidental localized skin tumors may be developed. Important members are Variola, Vaccinia and Molluscum contagiosum viruses of this pox viridae. Variola are causative agent of smallpox, the first disease to be eradicated from the world. Vaccinia was used before as a vaccine for smallpox. And Molluscum contagiosum viruses cause warty lesions called as a Molluscum contagiosum. Now we will see about smallpox or variola viruses. It is first diseases to be eradicated from the world, characterized by highly contagious severe exanthema or rashes. Now we will see the timeline of smallpox. Last natural case of variola major occurred in Bangladeshi woman in Assam in May 1975. Last natural cases of variola minor were Merca Somalia in 26 October 1977. Eradication was declared by WHO nearly after 3 years of last cases in 8 May 1980. Laboratory spread occurred in 1978. There was a small outbreak in Birmingham due to accidental spread of the viruses from the virus laboratory, following which stock from most laboratories have been destroyed due to this laboratory spread. Maintenance. Currently, only 2 laboratories still hold stock of smallpox viruses, that is present in USA CDC Atlanta, and second is Center for Research on Virology and Biotechnology in Kolsova, Russia. Agent of bioterrorism as vaccination was stopped following eradication, people born after 1980 are not immunized, hence can be potential agent of bioterrorism. Now, which are the reasons that made eradication successfully? Because exclusively it is a human pathogen, no animal reservoir was there, there was no carriers test. Cases detection was easy due to characteristic appearance of the rashes. Subclinical diseases were not transmitting the diseases. Global Smallpox Eradication Program was launched in 1967 by WHO. With a strong international cooperation and intense effort, disease was wiped out nearly after 10 years. Highly effective live vaccine was there. Figure shows description of manifestations. Portal of entry is mucous membrane of the upper respiratory tract. Incubation period is 7 to 17 days, almost 12 days. Description of rashes shown in figure. Rashes were deep-seated and all rashes were in an area appeared in one stage. Evolution was slow and centrifugal distribution. Fever subsided with the appearance of rashes. Treatment. Vaccination was the treatment. Live vaccine was highly effective. It was given as a single dose between 1 to 2 years of age. As an unattenuated live virus was used, adverse reactions were common, such as mild vaccine-induced rashes. Now we will see the difference between smallpox and chickenpox. Incubation period of smallpox is 7 to 17 days, approximately 12 days. In chickenpox, incubation period is 15 days or 10 to 21 days. Rashes in smallpox was present in palm and sole and extensor surface. Wherever in chickenpox, rashes were present in axilla and flexural surfaces. In smallpox, rashes were deep-seated and appear in a single stage. Evolution is slow. Centrifugal distribution was there. Chickenpox, rashes superficial and pleomorphic, appear in crops. Evolution is rapid. Dewdrop rashes were present and distribution is centripetal. Smallpox, fever subsides with appearance of rashes. In chickenpox, fever rises with each crop of rashes. Now, other virus, that is molluscum contagiosum virus. Obligate human pox virus that produces characteristic skin lesion. Clinical features. First, lesions. It produces pink, pearly, wart-like lesion 2 to 5 mm in size, umbilicated with a characteristic dimple at the center. Lesions are characterized by lack of associated inflammation and necrosis, found singly or in cluster. Now, distribution of lesions. Lesions found anywhere on the body except on the palm or soles. Genital lesions can be seen in adults. Now, transmission. Children are commonly affected by direct or indirect contact, like by barbers, common use of towels and swimming pools. Rarely, sexual transmission have been reported in young adults. Disease is self-limiting. Sometimes mostly lesion disappear in 3 to 4 months, but there are no systemic complications, but sometimes lesion may persist for 3 to 5 years. Laboratory diagnosis of molluscum contagiosum. Molluscum bodies are the intracytoplasmic eosinophilic inclusions seen in skin scraping sample stained with histopathological stains. In electron microscopy and PCR can be used for confirmation of the diseases. Viruses are not cultivable. It cannot be propagated in tissue culture, egg or animals. What is the treatment? Surgical removal of the lesion by ablation is the only way of treatment. Cidofovir has shown to some efficacy, as this virus does not cross with any other pox virus, smallpox vaccine is not protective. Thank you.